Hello friend, do you remember these little tools that we used to have a paste and it was a mascara and we just applied the mascara and we turn around and brush it? Well, I'm very happy that I was able to see this little tool because I like to trim my eyebrow. So that's how I trim my eyebrow. I brush it all the way up, and I'm going to do this way. Brush it all the way up and just trim. Hello friend, I'm so glad you're here with me today because today it is a fun video I created for you, and I will share with you how I trim my eyebrow. So I do not pluck my eyebrow. I just trim my eyebrow just up a little bit under. But there is a certain ways that I do that, and I decided I would like to share this with you because maybe in the future I would like to have some microderma breeding because there is some maybe a little bit of hair missing here and there, and I would have a little bit more pronounced. Until then, I do want to trim the one that are a little bit too long. But I did apply a little darker tint today to make a little bit more deeper because in a little bit I will do my hair again, and also I will share this with you. So let's stay alone and see how you enjoy. So what will you need to trim your eyebrow? You will need a gel, not a serum, not a cream, not a moisturizer. You need to have a gel. Why? It doesn't matter what kind of gel, but it has to be a hair gel. Why? Because the hair of your eyebrow are a little thicker and a little coarse than your natural hair. And you want to make sure that when you push them forward, they stay where they need to be. So you will need some gel and a little container. Now, this is not according to State Board, and this is not according to Mark Board either. If you are in school, you will need to follow the instruction of your instructor. This is according to me. So you trim your eyebrow successfully, okay? And this is closer to State Board and Mark Board, but it's not. I'm not going to take this, okay, into account because I want you to understand that you do need to follow regulation when you go to school. So a little bit of gel and a container, some Q-tips, a scissors, a very fine pair of scissors. You need to make sure the scissors are smaller than your hands. Why? Because you want to be able to see it. If it's too long, you may hurt yourself and you may not be able to see. You may need to have a comb. You don't use the large portion, you use the small one. You see how small? You want to make sure that the comb that you have is the opposite color of your eyebrow so you can actually see what you're doing, okay? Now, if you are lucky to find this is exactly what I was looking for to do this demonstration. I really like it because you see how small this is. Actually, this is what you need, okay? So you're going to take some gel and put on your eyebrow. Okay, and then you're going to comb them with your finger. Take your comb and comb them up, and upward motion. See how I'm doing upward motion? Because what you want to trim is the excess hair that is too long. You're going to take your comb, this one, or that one, but a thin size, okay? You're going to apply this and up, like straight up. You're going to open your scissors and cut. Up and cut. Up and cut. Up and cut. Up and cut. And you're going to do this to the other side. You go up, up forward, and cut. Up and cut, and up and cut. And when you're done, you want to make sure that you have got all the baby hair. See, it's very easy with these scissors because you're not hurting yourself. And move it up. Move it up. You see how I push up and I am on top of my finger. So I put my scissors and I cut. It's easy to do it. So push it up. And there you have it, okay? So this is how you trim your eyebrow when your eyebrow are too long, okay? And this is easy, so you can use, if you can find one like this, it is fine. But if you go to Sally or if you go and look online, make sure they are very, very fine. And always cut on top of the comb and push it, push it, push it, so you don't have mistake. You don't want to cut your eyebrow too short. And if you want your eyebrow to stay in place, no need to spend so much money. Just use any kind of gel, sport gel, we do it. So this is Chantal Ponce. Hello friends, Chantal Ponce here today. I'm so glad that you're here with me because today I have decided to share with you how I trim my eyebrow. Now this is just trimming the eyebrow. This is not plucking the eyebrow. I do not pluck my eyebrow. Neither I have somebody does plucking it for me. I will wait until maybe, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a little bit longer to get a microdermabrasion on my eyebrow because there is some hair missing. And so I'm going to wait a little bit. Until then, I did have some long hair that I like to, I want them to be a little bit more even. So I'm going to share this with you and I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for being here with me. So now that we have put some color on these eyebrows, they look much better. They were a little too light because I was lighting up my hair in some areas, so I wanted to match. But now I'm going to do some different dimension on my hair color. So I will play a little bit with the eyebrow and make them a little darker. So now they are a little darker and I hope you like them. So I hope that this video was fun for you. It was a lot of fun for me. It was good to share these tips and trips just with you, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun. So please do not forget to subscribe if you are new. Welcome. Thank you for coming back and spending this wonderful time with me. me sharing all these tips and tricks that I have learned and things that I do because I enjoy doing them. So this is Chantal Ponce. I see you next time. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.